Agus tá Laoch de hImeartha Stephen Bennett Takeach an Larting and Dave. Stephen, I'm going to ask you, do you know what you scored today? You must have run out of numbers.
I don't know. I suppose the second half there was a load of frees, which I suppose that comes down to the boys winning all the frees. So it was nice to.
I'm going to let you in the secret. 16 points, and Waterford to turn around in the second half and to score 20 points. I mean, it was a phenomenal display, wasn't it?
Yeah. I suppose if you look at the weather conditions, they're a lot better than last week, but still there's a crazy wind. So I suppose we knew that if we got in at half time still in the game, like we overturned 10 points last week, so we saw any bit close that you have the chance with that kind of wind. I suppose they're a bit unrealistic compared to summer hurling, but they're lovely. It's just to stay in at half time, only 2 points down. We knew like we'd loads in the tank, so it was nice to get the win.
And under Pádraig Fanning, you seem to be playing with a lot more expression and a bit more freedom. Would that be fair to say? Players look like you're enjoying it out there.
I suppose. Look, you see the likes of Callum Lyons, even the likes of them coming in, straight away and standing up. So it's great that I suppose the level of talent we actually have. Like our second 15 is as good as the first 15. Anyone can play, and you see that. I think we've used 20 to 30 people throughout the league, and no one kind of stood out that they were out of their depth, which is it's only good for Waterford going forward.
Was this the best performance of the league, do you think?
Look, I suppose anytime you're winning you think they're the best performance, but we still have a lot to work on, and we know ourselves we could have done an awful lot better, but I suppose look, today did go well for a lot of us, so it's very good. You'd always just trying I suppose getting an extra fit or an extra bit. Like Clare are going to come back again. It's going to be a different story the 12th of March,
Yeah, that's the thing. Like you'll be saying you're a far better team than them today, but the next time you play, Clare will be here in Championship in Welsh Park. So is it a psychological advantage to beat them so well today?
I don't know. I think it's nice to win any game you have, but like if anyone actually goes away thinking here we're a better team than Clare, like they were only one puck of the ball actually hitting the post, I suppose, last year to being in an All-Ireland final. They could be All-Ireland champions, and fellas will be blowing them up, So no, I don't think anyone thinks that. All games are different. Like Galway last week, so we a better team because we won. It doesn't work like that. You see all living in Division 1A, there's teams losing, but they're going to be right in with a shot.
A great performance today. Is tú Laoch na hImeartha Comhard agus le Stephen Bennett agus Brunnen Aoife Gradam Laoch na hImeartha Stephen Bennett Che Chulín de Fort Lairge inniu.